We've reached that point in evolution in which technology is powering mankind. And, with powerful inventions at our disposal, it is no wonder that we are heading toward miraculous breakthroughs. Thus, we've come a full circle. Pharmaceutical and healthcare industries are two of the largest industries in the world. And, these multi-trillion-dollar industries have the capability of changing the world as we know it. From increased life expectancy to state-of-the-art preventive measures, any breakthrough in these industries has the ability to transform a healthcare system dramatically. The quality of every progressive healthcare delivery system is dependent on 3 Ds: drugs, doctors and devices. Providing equitable universal healthcare without these 3 is impossible. As human factors will always be a constant limitation of any breakthrough, it is only the technological aspect that will propel the health industry any further. From anesthetics to antibiotics, from MRIs to radiotherapy, advancements and developments in drugs and medical devices can increase the efficacy and sophistication of a healthcare system. Even in upcoming economies like India, a tremendous development in medical technologies has been seen. This will reduce any out-of-pocket medical expenses, regardless of whether one has health insurance or not. However, as mere predictions cannot satisfy everybody, we endeavor to explore the latest trends in healthcare and understand the key drivers that will alter the society in future. Cloud servers have more or less become the storehouses of all that we want to save. Unifying this process with the healthcare delivery system can streamline the process of accessing, managing, sharing and updating any patient-related and disease-related database. A one-way sync of this data with a centralized system can assist in gathering information, case studies, and tracking the treatment of patients, thus bringing an incremental change to the healthcare ecosystem. Also, this can promote international collaboration on various diseases, further propelling the future of MedTech. Enhanced customer-centric experience. Patients and consumers today have turned to the internet to gather information about their condition and to improve their well-being. With this and a significant increase in the out-of-pocket expenses, a demand for wider accessibility is being witnessed. Just like someone looking to buy an appliance online, healthcare consumers have also started to weigh their options on the basis of parameters like reputation, waiting time, reviews, availability of beds, the convenience of parking, and a lot of other similar factors before making a decision about where to avail the care. Like the retail industry, healthcare sector, too, has diversified its channels. This has offered consumers an option to interact with services and products in ways best suited to them. The biggest example of this is telehealth, through which patients can seek a professional's advice through phone and other modes of communication. This is applicable to psychological remedies as well. Gadgets and self-diagnosis kits. In this consumer-driven market, wearable technology and health-related gadgets have become a commonplace. Though they can't replace health professionals, these gadgets can certainly provide them with a record of the patient's health. As it is, people today are more concerned about their physical and mental health than ever before. These wearable techs aid them in monitoring their own health autonomously. In 2014 alone, 90 million wearable devices were shipped. This figure has only increased since. The estimations for 2018 have by far gone off the roof. As a step up, self-diagnosis kits are thriving in the markets today. Health evaluation has been made easier by such diagnostic equipment, further reducing the burden on the healthcare staff worldwide. Biomarkers, health necklaces, fitness bands have eased off a lot of burden from healthcare professionals worldwide while enabling people to gather real-time data of their body at the same time. Furthermore, the headcount healthcare staff is less in comparison to the number of patients who need assistance. With DIY diagnosis kits, online methods of consultation will become a lot more comprehensive and accurate. Big data is bound to become a big part of the future of the health sector. With machine learning and AI, aggregation, identification, and segregation of patient data have become much easier. Using big data, personal health records can be put to the task of providing patient data analytics, which will contribute to the escalation of MedTech. This would not only be an example of shrewd business intelligence but will also become the intelligence behind a superior medical care system. Aftercare models developed through data. The cost and quality of a treatment do not only depend on what went down at the hospital. It also depends on the aftercare provided. In fact, aftercare expenses are, at times, more than the actual treatment costs. If big data is applied to this space, the aftercare costs will be driven down significantly. It will help the patients understand and evaluate the total costs and outcomes associated with a procedure. Automation and data through device integration. Medical devices can upload data directly to the electronic health record, eliminating the risk of errors and the costs associated with human labor. Through automation, any error in data entry can be avoided. Also, it will help reduce the costs and save time. Chronic care assisted by data. If healthcare managers offer incentives to patients who adhere to the prescribed drugs and lifestyle and go for regular screenings, while being monitored by a wearable tech, chronic care can become easier to manage and cost-effective. Also, the effect of the changes so incorporated can be observed in real time with all the analytical tools at the manager's disposal. Further, to safeguard the privacy of the patients and ensure the security of the collected data, up-and-coming technologies like blockchain can step in the healthcare sector. Innovation-fueled pharma solutions. Healthcare and pharmaceutical industries go hand in hand. Right from complementing each other to aiding the greater good, these sectors are of immense importance to the humankind. In the past few years alone, the latter has witnessed exponential growth and unforeseen efficiency. Although the research and development has remained constant, the focus of medicinal science has shifted from merely remedying a disease to targeting the exact area or cause of the ailment. These cause-focused medicines are a momentous breakthrough in the field of medicine and are expected to be the stepping stone on which future innovations will be paved on. Final words. The healthcare industry has the potential to bring enormous transformation to everyday lives. In order to do so, MedTech startups must be given a hand and prospective partnerships will have to be identified. With astonishing developments coming to limelight every day, an amalgam of superior healthcare delivery system and shrewd business acumen is in order. This is a sponsored post.